Hi everyone, Simon Keeling here, Wednesday 28th of March. I simply had to show you this satellite picture to kick off with today. This is from sat24.com and just look at this. Clear skies across most of the UK and Central Europe. Just look how the Alps are sticking out here and the Pyrenees as well. An absolutely beautiful picture. I'm sure you'll agree. One that we'd be used to seeing in summer, not really in the springtime, but a glorious, glorious picture there nonetheless. Okay, what's going on? Well, just got a very quick one for you today. This is the model, the ensemble model, and it's valid from this morning at 6 o'clock. Here's the area of high pressure that's over the top of us. Now, if we go in 12-hour steps, you'll notice how that high is slipping away slowly towards the west of us during the coming days. This takes us up to the 1st of April. And by then, 1st of April is Sunday, and you can see the highs here to the west of Ireland. We've got this west-northwesterly flow through Scotland, so temperatures certainly are going to be falling, and I think things turning more unsettled for northern and eastern Scotland and these eastern coasts of England, but staying dry, largely dry to the west and to the south. That high hangs around into the early part of the month as well, look, but you see the jet stream here, that's where these colours are close together. Here it is, look, coming across off the Atlantic up to the south of Iceland, coming into northern parts of Scotland. So it is going to be blowing some outbreaks of rain through here, but the south just holds on to this dry weather, and it looks as if that jet stream does try and sink southwards though as we get in towards the Easter weekend. Typical, isn't it? You get to Easter, what happens? The weather changes. So I think we've got a front line through here by then. That's going to bring most of the rain through Scotland, Northern England, Northern Ireland, but to the far south of England, probably dry once again, although bits and pieces of rain trying to get through during the course of Easter week. And then some hints from the model of some cooler conditions again across Northern England and Scotland, but staying generally dry and mild down towards the south. And it looks as if this weather really tries to continue on into the middle part of April. So really very, very little change expected during the course of the month. And just a very quick look at the city forecasts reveals the temperature drop even that's going to happen during this weekend. Look, here's the very warm conditions of the last few days, but temperatures going back down to nearer normal values during the week after. This is for London. That's the position for Cardiff, and notice too that it's getting wetter too as we get into the middle of the month, with a high risk of some outbreaks of rain, although not much. This is only 1 millimetre here. Similar for Birmingham and also for Manchester there, and notice how we see this similar fall off in temperatures, although Glasgow does become cool. This is 8 degrees here by the first week of the month, and again similar for Aberdeen with the cooler conditions returning. So hopefully that's been useful for you. Thanks again for watching, and keep the sun shining. Bye for now.